Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious tomato soup. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 1 kilogram of ripe red tomatoes, which are key for a rich flavor. Also, have 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 medium onion, and 4 cloves of garlic ready. Don't forget a small piece of ginger for that extra zing. This simple list ensures a fantastic base for your homemade soup. Now let's get cooking. In a large pot, melt 2 tablespoons of butter over medium heat. Add your chopped onions, garlic, and ginger, sautéing them until they become fragrant and translucent. Next, introduce the chopped tomatoes. Cook them down until they are very soft and begin to break apart. Then, add 1 cup of water and let it simmer gently for about 15 minutes. Once your tomato mixture has cooled slightly, it's time to blend. Use an immersion blender or carefully transfer it to a regular blender and process until completely smooth. For that extra silky, restaurant-quality texture, pass the blended soup through a fine mesh sieve. Finally, season your soup with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a small pinch of sugar to balance the flavors perfectly. Your homemade tomato soup is now ready to enjoy. Serve it hot, perhaps with a swirl of fresh cream, some crispy croutons, or a vibrant sprig of basil for garnish. It's absolutely delicious on its own, but it also pairs wonderfully with a classic grilled cheese sandwich. For easy storage and meal prep, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers, along with other great deals. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.